I'm Steve, and it is time to sprinkle in some natural sweetness within the raw. Today we're looking at sugar in the raw, jalapeno agave in the raw, and monk fruit in the raw. Now, I've been using sugar in the raw for years and I absolutely love it. This is what I usually put in my coffee. If you have never tried sugar in the raw, you absolutely have to. Let me see if I can give you a close-up of exactly what it looks like. Try this and you'll never go back to whatever you were using. Next up is a new product I've never used. Jalapeno hot agave in the raw. This is organic raw agave nectar. I tasted this and it is hot and sweet at the same time. There would be so many culinary options for this. Let me try and show you what it looks like with this close-up. Alright, next up is monk fruit in the raw. My wife has been cooking with this for years and years, especially when she bakes. We love it. She uses this instead of sugar. This is a great way to reduce your calories and sugar, and especially if you're on keto. We use and recommend in the raw products. I think you'll like them too, so if you're looking at them, I hope you found my video helpful. I received these in the raw products for free, and I'm so thankful I was able to share them with you.